Good day folks and welcome to Best Trade Setup. In this video, I will be sharing the trades taken from the 2nd of May 2023. Now let's get to the first trade. I have two setups where one needs 5 confirmations and the other one needs 6 confirmations for me to enter the trade. This one right here on the screen needs 6 confirmations and the last two only need 5 confirmations. I'll explain and show you exactly what I mean and why is that one setup needs 5 and the other one needs 6 confirmations. So this is the first trade here, entered right here, took some partial profits. Price eventually used to take profit. I'm going to show you the before and after of each trade and then explain to you why I took this trade. This is the price action on the 15-minute. This is where I took the trade on 5-minute. This is the line chart. I like keeping line charts because sometimes it just shows a clearer picture of price action. On the 5-minute here, we have this sweep here. Every single sweep that I have, every single sweep that I see comes with an M pattern. So every time there's a sweep or a fake out, it's an automatic M pattern or W pattern. Then we have price rejecting this 1985 level, and we have a 3 candle pattern made out of 4 candles. 3 candle patterns can be either 3 candles or 4 candles and not more than that. And then this is the first leg of this huge M pattern that you see here. On the second leg, we do have a sweep and then an M pattern. The price is rejecting this price level and a 3CP, 3 candle pattern made of 3 candles. So in this case, I needed 6 confirmations and I have 8, which is more than enough. I entered the trade here, took some partials around this area and let the trade run to take profit. This is what it looks like on the line chart. The second trade of the day. As you can see, price is consolidating right here. So whenever price is consolidating, sometimes there's going to be a huge move when price breaks out of that consolidation. And in this case, I only needed 5 confirmations for this trade. Whenever there is a support area above an order block, I only need 5 confirmations. So in this case, I enter the trade here. This is what it looks like on a 15-minute time frame. Took some partial profits and price action eventually used take profit and beyond. The third trade, I will explain why I took the trade that we just saw and the next one all in one slide. So now price has broken out of this consolidation and I wanted to enter another buy. So in this case, I only needed 6 confirmations to enter this trade. So here on the first leg, we see price doing a sweep, and with every sweep, a W pattern, and this is happening in this 5-minute order block area. So those are 3 confirmations. And here we have the second leg of the W pattern. Price action here is doing a fake out at this level, and with every fake out is a W pattern. And then we have this price action going on in the 5-minute order block as the market closes back in this area. So I have 6 confirmations that's far, and I entered the trade here. My stop loss got hit. I decided to give this trade a second chance because when this candle closed, it still showed enough confirmations to enter buys. And in this case, 5 confirmations, because if you look closely, right here is the support level where price did a fake out and tapped into this 5-minute order block. Price then eventually used to take profit. Now these are the 2 trades for the longs where we have this one that I took initially and the second one. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute time frame. Here on the 15-minute time frame, we do have enough confirmations to enter buys, 5 confirmations that is, which is a fake out W pattern, numbers meaning this level right here, the 1980 level, this bullish engulfing candle, and tapping into this 15-minute order block. Also, the 5-minute time frame had its own confirmations, this consolidation, and we have price doing this W pattern down here, which makes me think that there could be more up move for price action, which eventually did happen. I'm not saying it's always going to be the case, but that's why sometimes it's good. In fact, not even sometimes, to always take partial profits as your trade runs into your direction in your favor, because it's not always going to be this case, but just know that this is a possibility where price is consolidating for quite some time, that it's going to have an explosive move out of that consolidation. Here we have where I took the second buys on the 5 minute. This is the price action on the line chart, and this is the consolidation I was telling you about earlier on, and this W pattern right here. This is the 5-minute time frame, and as you can see, price did fake out at this support level, and with every fake out is a W pattern. And this fake out is actually in the form of a W pattern when you look at the line chart. So that's three confirmations, and then we have these Q pin hammers. That is our fourth confirmation, and price rejecting this 1980 level. We have the first leg of the W pattern having a bullish engulfing candle, and the second leg as well, we see a bullish engulfing candle. So I have more than enough confirmations to enter buys, and that's the reason why I entered those buys earlier on. The second trade, remember that it did hit my stop loss, and then I entered the trade again, because as you can see, this price action does a fake out, and with every fake out, a W pattern at numbers the bit, excuse me, the bullish engulfing candle, and we have price tapping into this 5-minute order block. And if you look closely here, price did break out and then retested this level. So those are more than five confirmations, including the fact, like I said, that consolidation, long consolidation that we just saw, price faking out below that or at the bottom of that consolidation, tapping into this order block. I had a bullish bias towards price action moving forward. Now, this brings me to the end of my video. And with that, folks, I wish you all a pipful week. Take care and see you in the next video. Cheers.